Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my channel again. This is Jerry Borisi and now I'm here at the tower and I'm going to tour you on the top of the tower and what we can see down on the tower. So bear with me guys and stay with me and get your chair and watch with me and let's go there now. So this is the tower now guys of Westport. So you see there are lots of people there going up taking pictures because this is one of the very attraction of Westport. So let's go up, and there the stone wall. So this is the entrance of the tower. So I'm going to bring you up now. Have to hurry. So see the beauty of what is down here in the tower. So let's go up. Starting now to go up. Yes, this is another stairways going up. So that's it. This is the second floor. And let's go up again. And again. And see the beauty of Westport. See there? That is where the festival. And what a lovely place. There is that where the gunpowder was healed yesterday. Look. Going up again. Let's come on the side so you can see it more clearly. See? Stone wall. Oh, I just need to hold my cap because it might blow by the wind. And there is that there. Oh, you want to see? Okay, I'm going to make a video of a little tour of Westport.
Well, we're not going to see much. We stayed at this motel once.
Okay. Not really much places to see, but I will not tell. I don't like to include it on my video.
What? The stink?
Stinky.
Fish or?
Oh, it's not fish. Oh, that's so much places to go. Yeah, so we're just strolling this early morning and see the beauty of Westport, but still, it's still very beautiful, you see. But you can call it island, right? It's not an island.
Not an island.
Westport is nearby Pacific Ocean. So we're almost there at Pacific Ocean.
It's on the Pacific Ocean.
It's on. Oh, sorry. It's on the Pacific Ocean. It's not nearby, but it's on the Pacific Ocean. Yeah. So you just need to watch my videos, guys, so that it's like you're with me during my travel. So you have an idea already. If you're going to these places, places where I've been, so you know already where to go, where to eat, because you've seen it on my video. So this is the advantage of watching my videos, because maybe, who knows, one day you will decide yourself that, oh, I'm going to have my vacation on this place, or I'll be going to that place. So you know already how Westports look like, the Aberdeen looks like, Tacoma looks like, Seattle looks like. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow, this is ship. Oh, now I see the beautiful places of Westport. Yeah, not much people around. So you are already aware or equipped of the knowledge where you are going. What you can see here at Westport. But seriously, it's a very clean place. A very clean place. Alaskan Motel, Alaskan, name of a fish, right? Because the number one source of income here on Westport is the fishing and their tourism. Yeah. Oh.
Breakfast down.
Breakfast is coming! So, this is still the continuation of Westport side. So you see VFW because South Beach, because we are going to have our breakfast this morning. So we're going to park here. Okay, so we're getting inside where we are going to have our breakfast today.